Hello everyone, it's Isa from Yangtze in China. Right now, we are at the production basement. It's located in Langfang City. So today, I'd like to introduce our new developed shrink wrapping machine. The model is LC MBS65. It means the max packing speed can reach 65 packs per minute. So right now this is the big machines here. The first part is the photo feeding convenience systems. With the different plates, we can make the products into different lines. And you can see it's very long compared with the traditional models. This is the touch screen control panel here. And this part here, it comes with the heating systems inside here. At the bottom, you can see there's the film will be installed at this positions here, and will feed it in this area and upside. After it's wrapped at this position, then the groups will enter this heating tunnel. And also, as we can see, the heating tunnels is also very long. And for the convenient control, as we can see, we designed the control cabinet behind under the heating tunnels here. And also we can see this is the electrical parts here. And after the heating tunnels, you can see here's the air cooling systems. The heat shrink products will comes out and the cooling at this side here. So that's it. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please feel free to reach us. Thank you.